Do a quick video here. I'm trying to type this out so you can understand what I'm trying to get you to do. But just in case it's confusing, I figure a quick video wouldn't hurt. So when you get these slot dividers, the slot reel dividers, these right here, they're for these darker files in the code. So what happens is you configure your background here, and it has a transparent center, and then this image is smaller and it sits behind the slot reel icons. Now a lot of times what people do is they take a version of their background or the missing piece that you take out here and darken it up a little bit or mess around with the transparency. As you can see here, it's kind of dark. So anyway, the reason that I'm trying to include these is so you can make your own instead of just having to darken the ones we have in there up. So when you take this, just copy it, looks like I already X'd that out. Let me just go ahead and create a temporary file. So this is really the iPad. So when I paste it, you can see it's not lined up. So instead of just trying to eye it, a lot of times what I do, I gotta click here so it goes back to the original image and not the paste. Select all, and now you can see kind of the edge of where this dot would be on the new overlay image and where it is now. So I usually just get it close. I mean, you can almost do it just like that, but if you want to get really particular, you can see it a little better. And the cool thing about zooming in is it does just go in the spot. You can see how it doesn't go halfway in. I mean, you get it close and it just, you know it's on. So I X out, it saves its position, and now I have this. Which is now this, or it was, So the tricky part about the sizes is if you go into the code and you click on the texture file, right here, you'll see the size 706/431. Now that's the texture file. Now for some reason, I don't know if they all do them, Texture Packer adds about 2 pixels on each. So if we put a 706/431, we'd have a 708/433, and I don't know how much difference it really makes. It probably just overlays the allotted space, and you'll never know. But I try to keep it, right on. So I would take. So if we need a 706/431, which we don't really, I should have clicked on this. We have a. I'm sorry. We have a 14/12/860. So what I would do here is take this down 2 pixels to 1410. Oh geez, that was an accident. 1410. 858. I'd save that. Now that file, this is what I would drag in to Texture Packer. But a lot of times before you start sizing down, just so it'll be exact, I would come in here and do, my iPad non-HD. Wow, I think I need to get some coffee. That's a little bit, sorry about that. It's not it's not that size. It's the exact same size as the iPhone, and I'll list the sizes. You can see it on this image. It's 706, 431, and it is almost half. So 706, you could probably leave that, but I'll change it to 431. So now you would have iPad HD, iPad. You can tell I'm using JPEGs here. That was just an image I grabbed real quick for an example. I'd usually start with PNGs, but it's up to you. So I'd have one more to create, and this is a smaller iPhone, and you can see I list it 353, 216 here. So now I would have all that. So if you pretended you didn't already do this, obviously with these I haven't placed the divider on, but let's just assume I did. I would have my 4 sizes that I need, and those sizes are the top. Those are kind of like the raw. And then I would size them down 2 pixel by each dimension, and then those are the files that I would drag into Texture Packer, and then when I replace them in the code, everything's good. So hopefully that's not too confusing. I tried to explain it in here. Sometimes the video is just better. So thanks a lot. Hope you're having a good one. See ya.